Welcome to Valient Biotech. With over a decade of excellence, Valient Biotech stands as a globally trusted leader in biotechnology. With a presence in 3+ countries, 3 world-class manufacturing facilities, and a strong team of experts, we proudly serve 100+ clients worldwide. Business segments we serve. Valient Biotech provides efficient, sustainable water and wastewater solutions, reducing organic load, controlling odor, and enabling water reuse while optimizing performance and cutting costs. Enzymes for industrial processes, enhancing efficiency, boosting yields, and reducing energy use across distilleries, food, textiles, and biofuels for smarter, greener production. Sugar and distillery process, boosting efficiency with innovative enzymes for higher sugar recovery, faster fermentation, and superior alcohol yields, ensuring sustainable growth and peak performance. Disinfectants and biocides, protecting processes with precision. Our advanced formulations provide powerful microbial control, ensure safer operations. Our core competencies: customized biochemical solutions, optimizing fermentation, boosting yields, and controlling contamination. Advanced wastewater treatment, complete recycle solutions focused on sustainability. Our industrial footprint reflects scale and trust. 10 to 20% improvement in process yield. 100+ industrial clients. Train 200+ technical staff and operators. 50,000 cubic meters wastewater recycled daily. Supporting 𝗕𝗃𝗀𝘂𝘀 LPD. Biofuel production. The Valient Advantage. An experienced and qualified technical team, driving innovation with expertise and reliability. Trusted technical and analytical support for reliable performance. Specialized, customized products tailored for industry needs. Delivering long-term, cost-effective solutions for sustainable growth. Join us on a journey where together we foster growth, champion sustainability, and build the future.